There is a term called African American Vernacular English. The type of language that is associated with African Americans or associated with black culture. And when you look into the history of this, you realize many African Americans and black people in general were brought over from Africa and did not speak the language, so they began learning English in whatever way they could. And in addition to that, African Americans were not allowed to learn literacy. And then even after slavery, black people were not allowed to integrate into the cities where Caucasian Americans were coming in and integrating into a similar language, dialect, pronunciation style. African Americans were relegated to the outskirts. And because of that segregation that was physical, also came a segregation of the linguistics, how we spoke. And that was maintained and continues today. Why? Because we're still segregated. Many African Americans are still relegated to very segregated areas. In our community, literacy is still a problem. That by the fourth grade, only 19% of African American children are able to read and write at a fourth grade level. And we're wondering why we're still having problems.